Hello everybody, how you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel Tech World, wherever we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can delete Roblox from your PC. So there's two types of Roblox you can play on your PC. One is going to be the browser version and the other is going to be the desktop downloaded version. So you can only delete a desktop downloaded version, because if you try to delete the browser version, you can, because the browser version is actually not saved on your PC. By that I mean this: so once you're in your browser, you go to Roblox. Come over here. Now once you go to Roblox, this thing is going to be saved in Roblox server, so you can delete it. What you can only do is you can just cross the step and close it. You can delete it, but the Roblox which is going to be on your PC like this, I'm going to search for Roblox over here. As you guys can see, this Roblox, well, this you can delete because you have installed it on your PC. And remember this: once you delete Roblox over here, your Roblox app is only going to be deleted. Your account is not going to be deleted. Your Roblox account is still going to be on the server of Roblox. In order to delete a Roblox account, there's going to be a whole different process on that process as well. I'll make a video, so stay tuned to our channel Tech World with notification turned on right now. To delete it, you can just simply go to your search bar and you can source for Roblox. Once you see Roblox app over here, you can click on it. Once you click on it, or you can just right click on it and click on uninstall. Or you can also click on this uninstall button over here, right? So just click on whichever uninstall you want. Right click one or the side one, it's going to do the same thing. Just click on uninstall. It's going to ask you this app and its related info will be uninstalled. So you just want to click on uninstall and everything related with Roblox is going to be deleted from your PC. It says Roblox has been uninstalled. It might take a bit of time. But again, close the gap and it's automatically going to be uninstalled in no better time. So yeah, that's basically how we guys can uninstall Roblox from your PC. So if you guys found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel for future videos like this. And I'll be seeing you guys on my next video if you guys want some more Roblox related videos. Stay tuned, draw General Tech World. Alright, bye bye, everybody.